How to change language on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Now over here, you're gonna find different section. Under content and display, you'll find the option of language. Click on it. Click on the option app language. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find list of languages. Set it to anyone. Just check in for it. Click on done. With that, the language will be updated for your TikTok account. So this is how you can easily change language on TikTok. Also, you are able to translate post. Likewise, you can also select the translation language. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.